Hey, hello friends, welcome back to Brintechno. Welcome to our new and fresh video, guys. Yes guys, your boy and your mama is back with another new and fresh recipe. So we are back with the unique and special recipe, and this recipe is all the way from Coorg, and this recipe is called Coorg pork recipe. Yes, so this is Coorg's or Kodava's traditional recipe, and this is very tricky recipe, and we took a step ahead and we planned to prepare this recipe, and this has come out really great, guys, and it's very yummy. So we thought of sharing this recipe with you guys. And yeah guys, this video is for you, and if you are new to my channel, do hit the like button and do not forget to like and share our video if you prepare this recipe, because it will help other viewers to watch our video. So without further ado, let's start today's video. So here we have taken 1 kg of pork, which is chopped into medium sized pieces, and the pork is with its fat. So the fat helps to blend the dish with its amazing flavors. So we have kept the fat along with the meat. So first, to prepare this Coorg pork, we need to cook the pork. So place a kadai on the stove and add 1 kg of pork. Now add rock salt. And now add handful of curry leaves, and now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and now mix everything nice and perfectly. Once you are done mixing all these ingredients nice and thoroughly, put the lid on and let it cook for 10 minutes on simmer. So now the next process is to prepare the masala. So take a blender, add 1 pod of finely sliced garlic, and now add 3 green chilies and 2-inch finely chopped ginger. And now we need to coarse grind all these ingredients. Make sure not to add water. And now the coarse grounded, the masala paste is ready. It shouldn't be running or light. It should be dry as shown here. And this masala paste goes into the pork. So it's been almost 10 minutes that we left all the ingredients to cook with the pork. And I guess all the ingredients are properly blended into the pork. But make sure guys, like pork usually takes 30 to 40 minutes to cook, but here it's been almost 10 minutes, so it's half cooked. And now we are adding all finely chopped onion, and now we are adding the coarse grounded masala paste into it. Now we need to sort all these ingredients nice and thoroughly. Now once we are done sorting, let it cook for 10 more minutes on simmer. Meanwhile, while the pork is being cooked, let's prepare the dry roast powder on the other stove. So place a frying pan, let it heat up, and this is the main ingredient, the dry roast powder. This one gives the aroma and flavor to the pork. Once the pan is heated up, add 6 teaspoons of coriander seeds, now add 3 teaspoons of jeera, now add 15 to 20 black peppercorns, Now we need to dry roast all these ingredients nice and thoroughly before it goes into the blender. Now it has turned out slight brown and it has started releasing its aroma. So let's switch off the flame and let's transfer into the blender. So folks, the process is not yet done, and this is one of the most important and the trickiest process, and this process brings the Coorg pork its authentic flavor and its color. So do not miss this process, watch it carefully. And now place a frying pan on the stove. We are using the same pan, and once it is heated up, add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and now we are going to add the fine powdered spices to it. We need to fine roast this powder till it changes its color. Make sure not to burn this powder while roasting, so keep the flame on simmer. Usually this process might take 5 to 10 minutes. So folks, once your dry roast powder is ready, just cool it down and store it in an airtight container for 3 more months, and whenever you wish you can use this powder to prepare the Coorg pork. Wow, and literally it has started releasing its aroma. Wow. And now your dry roast powder has changed its color from a slight golden brown to black, and make sure to switch off the flame now, or else you might end up burning your dry roast powder, and this powder goes into the pork. Now add the dry roast powder to it. Wow, look at the color of the dry roast powder, it's perfect. And wow, look at this folks, the dry roast powder gave the Coorg pork its authentic flavor and its color, and it looks amazing. And now the final ingredient has to be added, and that is kachum pudi. Now add half teaspoon of kachum pudi. So folks, if you do not find kachum pudi, literally to be frank, there is no substitute for it, but you can add thick tamarind juice or lime juice or dark soy sauce, but there will be a difference in its color and taste. So if you do not find one, then you can use those substitutes, and this is how it looks at the end. Now let it cook for 5 more minutes on simmer, and now sprinkle some coriander at the end as the final garnishing. Wow, look at this folks, this Coorg pork looks very stunning and colorful, and I need to end up this video before I roll out.